A Element 4K Smart Xumo TV. I'm going to show you how to reset the picture setting. You're basically going to reset the picture setting if you have issues with your picture, like maybe it's flashing black and white, you get half a screen, maybe the colors are distorted and so on. Okay, anyway, it's really easy to do, but the first thing I want to know is before you reset the picture, what you may want to do is this. Okay, so before you reset the picture is just have the TV on, pull the power plug from the wall socket, count to 15 seconds, plug it back in there, and then go back to your picture and see if it's working the way it should be. If not, then we can go ahead and proceed to resetting the picture. So simply from here, if the pulling the plug out of the power socket didn't work, then from here, just go to your settings, click on the home button, go to the home screen, then you can go to the settings icon, that gear icon up there. If not, if you have this remote here, we have a settings button right there, that gear icon. So let me just select on that. From here, we're going to go down to picture and sound right there. Okay on the remote. And then from here, we have to go to the very bottom here, okay? And it says reset picture and sound settings, okay? So it says to reset the picture, you're going to reset your sound audio settings as well, okay? Anyway, if you want to proceed, we're going to click on okay. And are you sure you want to reset picture and sound settings? This will clear your current picture and sound preferences and reset them to your TV's default settings. I'm going to go ahead and reset it. We're going to click on reset right there. And just give it a moment here. Voila, it has been reset. And there you go.